Okay, it's potato harvest time, and we've been pleasantly surprised with a beautiful, bountiful harvest. That's just one plant. Isn't that wonderful? Wow. I'll take a little walk along here. Shall I?
Mm-hmm. By all means.
All the way to the end there. And I'll turn around. That's each plant's offering. We're just really surprised at how big they are. You want to lift one up, darling, so we can see for have a what we call that for scale. Yep. Isn't that great? We're very pleased.
Those are bigger.
Yep. Wonderful. And so grateful. So that's the potato harvest 2025. Okay. And this variety that we always grow is Burbank. Um, what are they again?
Russet.
Russets, of course, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Burbank Russets.
Russet Burbank.
Russet Burbank.
That's it, Jim.
And here's our wonderful tree here. It's still there. We've been getting the apples off of it, but you can see from the back side of it, we can simply just walk right up to it and get an apple. So we're really glad about that too. There's the corn. We're just waiting on that. A few more days. Shouldn't be long now. And yep. Potatoes and more potatoes.
And we should have seed potatoes.
Excellent.
We hope to.
All right. Until next time.